Morning guys, I'm trying out this ND filter here. I'm checking if it's gonna be good or bad. And I'm not using the 24 because we don't have an ND filter for that one. It's gonna blow out. We don't 1.4 aperture is gonna be crappy. I'm gonna need an ND filter for that. But my voice is really bad right now. We just got out of the hotel late. I'm gonna start traveling now. Yeah. There she is. Yeah. So we're up right now. We're heading out, and yeah, we're gonna start exploring the island. It's already late, but doesn't matter. We're on holidays. We can do what we want, right?
It's kangaroo.
First stop, we're gonna go to the West Bay Beach. First stop, we're gonna go to West Bay Beach, and then it's gonna be 2 hours drive there. So yeah, it's already 11 o'clock. So who cares? We're on holidays. Let's go. If you look closely, there's a cool there. Yep. First stop, we're here at the information center for Flinders Chase Visitor Center. I'm gonna check out the place and see what are things we can do here. Yep, that's it. Doing a nice hike, but 5 days. Yeah. Okay, our initial destination was a bad idea because the road is unsealed, and it's really pretty bad this time of year. So I might change the itinerary for now. Yeah. So this is the Bunker Hill Lookout, and you can see the road there. There's like rolling hills, rolling humps in the road. Cool. I'd like to see that. I think I came from there. I don't know. Or we're gonna go there. I don't know. Yeah, it goes there. Goes around. Yes. ADMIRALS Arch Lookout. On the way. So we're gonna go across paths. Okay. These are the fur seals. And that one there is one lazy big one. Yeah, that's a big one. Anyway, look cool. So we're currently at the ADMIRALS Arch right now, and yeah, it's a nice place. There's a lot of fur seals down there, and they look so cute. By the way, I'm gonna show you the island across. Snore. So we're heading down. Look at those two there, they're playing. Yeah. Those two there, they're playing. Looks so nice. They're just playing near the water. Those two over there, they're so naughty. They were playing in the water earlier. And there's a big one there. that's the footpath to the ark. So a bit of walk, but it's okay. The viewing deck here, and I'm heading back to the car. There you go. At first it's really cute and nice, and they create a lot of attraction here at the ADMIRALS ARCH. Yeah. So I'm gonna try out that walking trail out there and see where it leads. Let's go. So I'm checking out this walking trail up here. Apparently I have running shoes and the rocks are sharp, so I'm afraid I might ruin my new shoes. These are jogging shoes, not trail shoes, so the rocks might break it, but what the heck, just use your shoes. Let's go. Okay, so this hiking trail is bringing me back up to that lighthouse, and I don't want to leave the car there because I can't contact Laura. I might need a walkie. Should have brought my walkie up here, but yeah, I'm going back because I might just go with her in the car. So I thought I was gonna go somewhere that we can look at the side, but no, it's not. I can see some kangaroo poo here. Some sharp two socks. Okay, just found this hole here which has some kangaroo bones. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's kangaroo bones. I don't know, but yeah, somewhere in there. So I said to myself, now that I'm here, might as well take a photo with that lighthouse there. So yeah, I'm gonna take a photo myself. Let's do this. There's a lighthouse. It's me. Video. I'm gonna do a photo. So yeah, we're here at Wares Cove, and this is one of the houses that people are staying because they get the supplies from down there, and they winch the stuff they're getting. There are 3 families in here, 3 rooms. Imagine just 3 doors. So yeah, that's how it is. Also, check that out. That's where they get the supplies. They just winch it up here, so it's a long way down. Yeah. So it's kind of windy here at Wares Cove, so we're just gonna head back to the car now, and we're gonna go to the Remarkable Rocks, which is over there. Man, the cloud is a certain line that, man, the cloud, I'll show it to you. So if you can see, look at that, there's a line there. It's the cloud. I think it's a scary cloud. I think it's a rain cloud. There's a long line there. Oh, by the looks of it, I think they are rain clouds. As you can see, it's a bit blurry something there. I think that's rain falling and it's coming over to us. Oh my god, gotta get back to the car now. Yeah. So that's a sleeping... I forgot the name. Mostly, that's a koala there.
Drop bear. Tingnan ni Trevor drop bear.
Yeah, again. So if you can see, there's a koala there, otherwise known as the drop bear. So yeah, there he is. Yep, just there.